Hello, today we will make an ambulance video. First we choose the screen size we want. Then we make sure of the number of frames. It should be 24. Now we can draw the ambulance or we can download it from FreePic or Canva. Then we add it from here. I downloaded these images from FreePic in PNG format. We will start adding the additions to the ambulance. We add a new clip and draw the light. Then we put them next to each other and copy them until they become like this. We make them in a group. It became like this. Then we add a new clip. For the rest. And we repeat them as well. And now it became like this. The front light remains. I can draw them on the same layer because they will appear at the same time. Now we put them all in a group so we can move them with the car. Then we put it behind. Then we put them all in a group so we can control the camera. Now I like to make the car enter cute. So I will make it twisted. I am now trying to correct the light error that appeared. Now we make the video duration 2 seconds. Now we add the sound effect. You can download the sound effect from anywhere you want. After adding the sound is very loud. So we try to make the sound soft when the car is far away and louder when it be closer. Now it is ready.